Modular prefab construction gives you a way to get a budget-friendly home by shifting most of the work into a controlled factory instead of an unpredictable job site. When we talk about saving money with modular prefab, the biggest wins come from labor efficiency, material control, and a shorter construction schedule. Off-site, crews repeat the same tasks every day, which cuts labor hours and errors compared with building everything stick by stick in someone's yard. Panelized wall systems arrive as framed, sheathed, and sometimes insulated wall sections that you stand up and connect, so you skip days of cutting and measuring on site and get straighter walls. Modular room modules are entire rooms or chunks of a house built in a factory, complete with wiring, plumbing, cabinets, and finishes, then trucked to the lot and set with a crane, which can take weeks off the build. Structural insulated panels are sandwich panels with rigid foam locked between two structural skins that give you strong, airtight walls and roofs that go up fast and cut heating and cooling bills. Factory-built trusses and prehung doors and windows make framing and finishing more consistent, since the hard alignment work is done indoors with jigs and templates instead of on a windy job site. The first big mistake people make is thinking modular prefab means cheap instead of cost-controlled, so they under-budget finishes and forget about delivery, crane time, and foundation work. The fix is to ask your builder for a full line item cost breakdown that includes site work, transportation, and set day. Another common issue is picking components that do not integrate well, like mixing structural insulated panels with random window sizes or custom roof shapes that fight the panel layout. The better move is to design the home around a standard grid that fits your chosen panel or module system and confirm compatibility with the manufacturer before final drawings. A third problem is not planning mechanical, electrical, and plumbing paths in advance, which leads to field cutting expensive panels or modules. Avoid that by having the design team and the factory coordinate exact locations for ducts, plumbing chases, and electrical runs, and insist that these details be shown on the drawings you review. BigHomeProjects.com is our online directory that makes it easier to match homeowners who want modular prefab and other budget-friendly construction methods with local contractors who actually work with these systems. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share real-world experiences, compare prefab options, and help each other make smarter choices about modular and off-site construction.